Hi, I'm Lorena. I just want to say what an amazing workshop this has been. I came here one person and I'm leaving a totally transformed person. I don't have words to explain how amazing and life impacting this journey has been for me, and I highly recommend it to everyone and anyone at all ages.
Hi, my name's Tanya Matthews. I was really happy and grateful, and I feel very blessed to have been here at the Heal Your Life workshop and training, coach training. I know I have changed, not the same person as when I got here, and I've been to so many healing events and ceremonies my entire life, and this was by far the best one I've ever experienced. I encourage all of you guys who feel the call to take that healthy risk and come to Heal Your Life workshop. Come on out, everybody.
I'm so grateful to be able to have been a part of this workshop, life coach training. I came in with so much good prayers, and what I received from it was beyond what I even imagined I could. And I highly recommend Victoria, not only Victoria, but her team of beautiful people that come with her, because what people are going to get from this workshop is life-changing. And it's going to bring so much healing and so much abundance to all of our communities. So, Pira Maya, thank you.
Hi, Brenda McDonald. I just wanted to say that the Heal Your Life workshop in Banff was the most amazing experience, and very well organized, strong facilitators, and the setting, beautiful Banff. It was just amazing.
Hi, my name is Joanna. I just finished Heal Your Life workshop. It was fantastic, and I'm taking everything whatever I learned within the 10 days back to Ontario, spreading the good word. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure.
Hello, I'm Victoria Johnson. I'm the teacher trainer for the Heal Your Life training program in Canada to certify Heal Your Life workshop teachers and Heal Your Life coaches. We are planning more events for 2025, and we would love to send you all of the information and welcome you as part of our Heal Your Life family. For more information, please do visit the website. It is thetraining.ca. That's THE training.ca. Thank you, and see you soon.